Hello everyone. So today we're going to combine CTR game, math and physics. So question of the day is, how long did it take to drop CTR game to rubbish bin, where it belongs? So what are we willing to know is, what is T? Okay, and what do we know from that starting position? The game has its own mass, which is, let's just say, 0.1 kilos. So it's easy to calculate. And other thing is that when we're dropping it, gravity will take its spot. So we have G as a gravity, which is approximately 9.81 kilograms meters per second to powered twice. So we can start thinking what we can do with these two. So we can calculate acceleration, which is meters per second power 2. So that's G divided by that mass, and it will be 98.1 meters per second powered 2. Okay. What else can we know about this? And the game is falling from its spot to that rubbish bin. It moves a bit, so we can mark a change of X spot, which is, let's say, 1 meter. Okay, so now we can start thinking that, first of all, what units does T have? T must be seconds. And does we have second in here? But right now it doesn't help us because we don't know this. So what else we know? It must have speed and starting speed. Its starting speed is at least 0 meters per second. And the other speed, it's not that important, I think. I'm not sure yet. Well, what do we know is that change of speed is the same thing as acceleration times the change of time, which is from t0 to, or actually from t to t0, which is, well, we don't know, something minus t0 is 0, of course. Our starting time starts from 0. And then we know that this change of v is from v minus v0. And because the change of t will be the same as this normal t, we can just mark it with t. And what we want to do now, we just cruelly take integral, which is matting. Let's go. And actually before this, maybe we want to change this v to that other side. It doesn't matter, you can do it later too, but I'm just willing to do it now. Okay, and now we're going to take that integral. And actually integral dt. So we're going to integrate it with, I wish I could remember that word. Okay, so with variable t, so we're going to have integral v dt and integral v0 plus a times t dt. Okay, now we're just going to calculate that integral, and integral of v is just vt. And integral from v0 is v0t plus t power to 2, and it's I don't know what this word is, the opposite number of this will come to here, and that a will stay here. Okay, so now we have integrated. And then we see that this v0t, because v0 is 0, will vanish. And another thing is that what is v times t? Unit of v is meters per second. Nice M, by the way. And t is second. So when we multiply these together, SS will be gone, and we have M here. So that's the change of X-spot thing that we have. So our equation will be this x thing is same as half times a times t power to 2. Okay, nice. Now we're close because we're having this a, which is in here. We are having this x, which is in here. So now we can just put this here. 1 meter is same as half time a, which is 98.1 meters per s powered 2 times that t powered 2. And now what we want to do is that we will multiply this as 2, so we get rid of that 2. That comes from here then, and we're going to divide it with this 98.1 meters per second power 2. So the next step is we can start from writing this t power 2 first. So what is left is t power 2 is same as this 2 meters divided by 98.1 meters per second powered 2. And in this case, these meters will go away. And because this is 1 per second powered twice, the second will actually hop over this dividing thing. And we'll get that t power 2 is approximately, calculate this, 0.1 second power s powered 2, and then we're going to take, oh sorry, it's not that much, it's 0.01 second power 2. Then we're going to take the square root, so we will get that t is approximately plus minus 0.1 second. And we don't have one negative time, so we can forget this minus thing. So the answer for this question, how long did it take to drop CTR game to rubbish bin, is 0.1 second. So with this amazing 30 FPS rate, it's 3 frames. So that is the thing. How long does it take for you to drop it from 1 meter? So then the game is where it belongs, and then we can all be happy. Okay, this was the very important lesson, how to combine CTR, math and physics. I hope you like it.